Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I'm using all of the Perpetual calendars in my 2022 planners. So I have a couple other planners and happy notes in my lineup, but these 6 planners are the ones that I'm using the Perpetual calendar in. So I just wanted to share with you how I'm doing that, maybe give you some ideas if you aren't sure how to use those pages in your own planner. So yeah, let's get started. This planner, I love this one, you guys. I love this skinny classic size. This is my Walk by Faith on the go planner, and in the on the go planner it doesn't have it's my on the go planner, but in this size of happy planner it doesn't have the full year's worth of Perpetual calendars right in the front like most of them do. It has a page for that month right at the beginning of each month. So how I'm using this one is I'm actually using this one to track my periods and my ovulation. Sorry if that's TMI, but I am tracking that right now. And so I figured just an easy way to track that using this Perpetual calendar so I can just kind of stay on top of that. So that's the first one. And then the next one, this is my meal planning planner. You guys, I'm loving this planner. I wasn't sure how I'd use the Perpetual calendar, and this is the only one that I'm not sure that I love what I landed with, but I am just going to record the days that I either go on a grocery run or schedule a grocery pickup for. That's the one, like I said, that I'm not sure I love that idea. I just wasn't quite sure how to use it or if I even wanted to use it, and then I just decided to do that, kind of just track how often we're going to the grocery store or I'm scheduling grocery pickups. All right, next one is my catch-all planner, and for this one I am using the Perpetual calendar to track my books that I'm reading. So I'm currently reading 2 books. You guys, I'm in a really bad habit of starting books and then starting another one and starting another one, so I'm gonna try to be better this year. But I am in 2 books that I had started last year that I am reading. So I just put the book title, and then I'm just going to draw a line with that same color of the title all the way through until whenever I finish it, I'll put a little star, and then I'll write in the next book, or just keep working on the second book that I'm reading. But that's how I'm going to use this one. I did this last year in my journaling planner and I loved it. I loved seeing what books I read, how long it took me to read each one, and so I definitely wanted to be doing that again this year. Okay, next is my fitness planner, and in this one I'm going to use it to track my weight. I'm not going to weigh myself every day, so you can kind of see I did weigh myself quite a bit at the beginning as I was getting started in the year. Definitely wanted to know where I started. Definitely not where I want to be, but through some of the things we've already done this year, I am on my way to reaching my goal. But yeah, like I said, I won't be weighing myself every day. My health and fitness goals go way beyond just the weight, but it is something that I do kind of want to track and just see where I'm at. So I'll just be noting that on here on the specific days that I do decide to take my weight. Okay, next one. Oh, I'm gonna make sure my stack doesn't fall over there. Okay, the next one is my social media planner. This one is a continued planner, so I'd already been using it, so I am just going to continue using the Perpetual calendar the way that I was in 2021, which was to track my Instagram and YouTube counts. And I do just throw that on there daily. Obviously, I don't advise like focusing so much on the numbers, but it is fun to just see where you started and kind of where you end and how you're just progressing with that. So that's a perfect one to track in my social media planner. A quick note, I am still trying to get everything set up for how I want it in the new year. This planner will soon have a different cover and different discs, and I will try to shoot a quick video of how I'm going to change that out soon. And then last but not least, we have my faith planner. This one's so big, I'm not even sure it's all the way in the view. I love this planner. But for this one, And I did share this in a recent Plan With Me video, but this one I am using the Perpetual calendar to list out attributes of God. And these are ones that come to me, come to mind for me as I'm getting to know the Lord more and in my relationship with Him, like how He's proven Himself to me. And so I just thought that that would be fun each day to write in, just an attribute, something I'm learning about God or something that's standing out to me about Him that day. So that's how I'll be using that one. And there you have it, you guys. That is all 6 of my Perpetual calendars for 2022. Which one's your favorite? Like, which thing am I tracking that's your favorite? Is there anything that you're tracking similar to me, or what other ideas do you have in using the Perpetual calendar? I would love to hear from you. Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. And I will talk to you then. Bye.